pictures in here. Janette, you look so hot tonight, and your breath kind of smells like beer. Barmaid, bring a picture. Another round of groovy Janette. Why don't we get drunk and screwed? Like it. Don't we get drunk and screwed? I just bought a big old water bed filled up for me and you. They say you're a snuff queen, you know. I don't think that's true. Why don't we get drunk and screw? Alright, I need everybody who's getting wasted on a Friday night to sing along with me. Here we go. Why don't we get drunk and screw and screw and screw? I just bought a big old water bed filled up for me and you and your girlfriend. They say you're a slut queen. Hey, I am too. Why don't we get drunk and screw? I'll bring the video camera. What do you want to bring here? I've got a battery operated thingamabob. Right. I'll bring the strawberries and whipped cream. We need one more thing for you. I got the new fire and ice combo. I haven't tried those. It's good. Nice. Happy birthday to you, Janette. Happy birthday to you, Janette. Happy birthday, dear Janette. You bitch. You slut. You whore. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Very cool. Yeah. Hey, take some bumper stickers with you. Happy birthday. Wow. Okay, so we got make some noise for Janette, everybody, on her birthday. Come on. Absolutely. We got like a $20 bill here for a couple.